Hi, my name is Sanjay. I am a founder, director, and CEO of Priority Wellness Canada. Priority Wellness presents Senior Health and Network Tech Program sponsored by Government of Canada. Today I have with me Mr. Access Patel, who is a full stack IT developer and analyst with masters in computer science and has worked in various capacity in India and Canada in reputed organizations like Canadian Tire, Scotiabank, and presently he is working with TD Bank. Mr. Access has worked as a decision support analyst. Priority Wellness is very proud to have Access Patel with us, who will teach us how to operate tablet efficiently and methodically. Priority Wellness will start distributing tablets to seniors very shortly. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, we will be arranging to send tablets by courier, and every senior can watch this video, which will be posted on all social media for everybody's benefit. Thank you all and see you on all social media and watch this program of Priority Wellness Canada.
Thank you Sanjay for your introduction. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of RCA Voyager tablet. This tablet has many functions inbuilt. For example, it comes with a 7-inch of touch display, which is a dual touch, 2 GB of RAM for fast processing, 16 GB of storage capacity, which is good capacity in this size of the tablet. There is an inbuilt Android operating system which comes with a Google Play already installed on this tablet. There is a front camera and HD display and up to 6 hours of battery life. So let's start to unboxing of this tablet and see what we have inside this box and how to start the tablet very first time. So let's open the box and find out what we have inside the box. So from here you can open the box like this and slide out the tray, and inside the tray you have everything. You can find a user manual for those users who are using this tablet very first time. You can follow this user manual or watch this video until the end. On the tray you can see a tablet wrapped in a plastic paper. You can also find a charger. This charger is very unique. It comes with a very thin pin. So this is the tablet, and the bottom of the tablet you can find out a volume buttons and on off switch. So let's start this tablet a very first time. So once you press this button like this, it will start your tablet very first time, and this is how it will look like. After a couple of seconds up to minute, it will ask you for which language and country, date and time you want to select. So let's wait for the next screen while tablet is starting up. So tablet is started now, and as you can see on the main screen, this is the very first screen where it asks you for the default language. So here I am going to select the English, United States, and you can see a yellow start button. As soon as you press here, it will go to a next screen where it will ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi network is very necessary to use this tablet. So here I have a list of all available Wi-Fi networks within this area. My Wi-Fi network name is CBS. It is not listed over here. So I will click on select all. So it will list me my Wi-Fi network. So if you are not able to see your Wi-Fi network name within this list, then you can click on that button and it will display all the available networks within the range of this tablet. So if you scroll up, and you can see all the available networks within this range. So my network is SBC1. So I'm selecting SBC1 and it will ask me for the password. After selecting a Wi-Fi network and entering a password, it will start updating the Android tablet. It may take a couple of minutes, up to 3 to 4 minutes. After entering a password for your Wi-Fi, it will take a couple of minutes to update the tablet. Once tablet is updated, you can see this screen, and in this screen it will ask you copy any application or data from other device to this device. So I am going to select a don't copy for now, because I don't want to copy any other materials from other device to my device. So you can select a don't copy option from right side. Once you click on don't copy option, it will take further couple of minutes, up to 1 or 2, and set up the next steps. So this is the next screen where you have to configure your email address with this tablet. This is an Android Google tablet, so it is necessary that you have a Gmail account. So here I am entering my Gmail account information, and I will click on the next button. After clicking on next, it will ask me for the password. So here I am entering my email information. So this is how it will look like. Once you enter your email address, there is no error message or there is nothing wrong in the email address, my name @gmail.com, and I'm clicking on the next button. So next screen is it asks me for the password. I'm going to enter my password. So after entering a password, and if your password is correct, it will ask you to accept this agreement with the Gmail and this tablet. So I'm clicking on I agree button. So I'm accepting the agreement. So now in the next screen, it will going to ask us which Google services we would like to use in this tablet. So right now the backup of Google Drive is selected, location information is selected, scanning is selected, and send usage and diagnostic data. How I'm using this tablet, if I would like to share my data with Google for the usage, I can turn this on, but I don't want to do that, so I'm going to turn this off. So this is how you can turn on and off this feature, and you can accept these services by clicking on accept button. After that, it will ask you to protect this device using a screen lock. In screen lock, you can create a security pin, which is a 4-digit of pin. So for now, I'm entering 1234. You can enter whatever number you would like to enter. It is a 4-digit of pin number, and using that pin you can lock your screen and unlock your screen. So please remember whatever 4-digit number you are entering during this setup. After entering 1234, which is my 4-digit pin, I'm clicking on next, and it will ask me again to retype the same pin number on the screen. So I'm entering again 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'm clicking confirm button. Here in this screen it will ask me to introduce with Google Assistant program. Right now I don't want to launch Google Assistant in this tablet, so I'm going to select no thanks, and I'm proceeding. Google Pay is the option if you want to do an online purchase, and if you want to set up a Google Pay account right away during this setup, you can select this, otherwise you can skip this. So I'm going to skip for now. There are some additional options to add more email accounts into the same tablet. To change the font size, if you feel this font size is too small for you, you can go to a font size and you can increase the font size. Change the wallpaper. Once your tablet is ready, which wallpaper would you like to display on your screen? So you can select a change wallpaper. But right now I'm not going to do anything, because this is the very first time we are setting our tablet. Because after completing this setup, we have option to change all this functionality. So for now I'm selecting no thanks from this right side. So this is a very last and final step. Here it is asking us auto rotate. What auto rotate means? Auto rotate means when you rotate your screen like this, if you want to rotate your resolution. So I'm going to select auto rotate, OK. So finally we have our desktop, which is a main screen of the tablet. If your setup is executed successfully, you can see this screen on your tablet, and this is a home screen. After the completion of setup, you can remove this protection film by selecting this green label over here, and this is how you can remove this protection shield. This tablet also comes with a volume buttons at the bottom of the tablet. So if you tilt a tablet like this, you can see a various buttons and various holes for various purposes. So volume minus, it will decrease the volume. Here volume plus, which increase the volume. Same way, when you are not using the tablet and you want to lock the screen, right now screen is on, you can lock the screen using this on and off button. So if I'll click here, one time you can see screen is totally locked, and I want to turn on the screen. In that case, I'll go here, I'll push this button again, and you can see the screen is on. And if you scroll your finger from down to upward side, okay, from down to upward side, it will ask you the pin number. In the previous video, I showed you how we set up the pin, and my pin number is 1234 for this tablet, and I click here on the go button. So this is how I can lock and unlock my tablet. So now you know how to lock and unlock the screen. After that, if you scroll down from top to bottom side like this, top to bottom, you can see a various options over here. This tablet have functionality that you can connect this tablet with Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth network as well. So if I want to connect my tablet with any Bluetooth device, this is how I can turn on my Bluetooth, and now you can see it is turning on, it's turned on because the color of the icon is changed. If I want to turn off, you can click on the same button again, and you can, it will turn into a gray, which means Bluetooth is off right now. All the gray button indicates that those functionality is off, and all the blue buttons are indicating that they are on. If you want to know which Wi-Fi network you are connected to right now, under this icon you can see SBC. SBC is my Wi-Fi network name. Whatever your Wi-Fi network name, you can find your network over here. If you scroll down upper side, this menu will go. If you want the same menu again, you can scroll down or scroll a downside and it will pop up again. During this first time setup, we did many changes, like we assign an email address, we assign a language, we set the volumes, so many things we did while the setup. Now after completing the setup, I would like to change any of the settings. You can use a setting logo over here. If you click on the setting icon, it will display you all the features and all the settings in a one screen. So this is the settings screen where you can find all the settings related to this tablet. If you would like to add a Bluetooth device or would like to check which Bluetooth devices are connected, the first option is here, connected devices and Bluetooth. If you click on that, it will list out all the connected device. If there is no device connected, it will look like this. And if you would like to pair means you want to add a device to this Bluetooth using a Bluetooth connection. You can click on pair new device and it will search for available Bluetooth devices surrounding by this tablet. The second feature in the settings are, you can check your battery, it's 78% right now. Display, you can change the brightness, wallpaper, night mode and screen timeout using this setting. By default, it's a 5 minutes of inactivity. It means if there is no activity on this screen for 5 minutes, the screen automatically locks. Sound, if you would like to change a sound setting, if you want to increase the sound, decrease the sound, alarm volume, you can do all type of sound setting using this sound menu. Storage, as I told you earlier, it's a more than a 12 GB of space in this tablet. Right now you can see 20% is used while 11.67 GB is free. Sometimes when it pops up for a memory outage, you can check over here that how many free space available in this tablet. Location. Location is useful when you would like to use a GPS. GPS indicates that where is the current location of this tablet, and right now it is turned on. If you want to off the GPS setting, you can click over here and you can turn off the GPS settings. After location, there is a security, which is a screen lock. Screen lock is when you lock the screen, it will ask you for the PIN number. If you want to change the PIN number, you can come here and you can change the PIN number using screen lock option. Next is accounts. Under the accounts, you can see which Gmail account is connected with these tablets, or which Gmail accounts. You can connect more than one account to a one tablet. If you would like to add an account, you select that account and you can add an account to this tablet. And the last one is system. In the system, it will tell you the date and time. If you want to change the date and time, you can go here and select the date and time backup option, which means whatever you install on this application, copy, create or take a picture in this tablet, it will automatically back up to your Gmail account, which is right now on. You can off the backup if you want. Go there and you can off from here. And the last is about tablet. In about tablet, it will tell you your device serial number over here, and the model name and model number, and which Android version you have on this tablet.